Morning guys, October 22nd, 2020. So here I gotta go to my mechanics where my truck is being worked on. Should be getting it back today. I guess there was some wiring problems, the thing wouldn't start. And he supposedly got that straightened out. It needs another alternators. I guess something's going on with the alternator too. So I got a replacement one I had in my garage. And I'm bringing that to him. And he wants me to fix his toilet over there, so I don't know if I could get a video of it. And I think it's a lot of times you got the radio playing over there, so I can't do videos if the radio's playing. We'll have to see what happens. Maybe I could put a little video together. He said his toilet's leaking on the floor. I was over there yesterday, fixed his electric water heater, needed a new element. Like I said, he had his radio blast in there, so it really couldn't. Just be kind of a waste of time doing a video. Copyright stuff, you know. Well, don't waste my time when the radio's playing. I don't do anything with music. But we'll see. I got other jobs I could probably do today. We'll see. I'll try to get you some shots. See all the water in front of the toilet? That's what he's talking about, I think. So, I think he said the toilet's loose. I'll have to pull it, put a new wax. Yeah, I think he said the bolts were broken or loose or something. That ain't good. Concrete slab here might not be a good scenario. I don't see the toilet leaking. It's sweating. Pull the toilet, see if we can fix that. I don't know what's going on with that. We'll see if we can fix it. Put a new wax on it. So let's see if we can fix it. Ooh, that's loose. That might be a problem right there. Broken things loose as a goose, mama. That might have been our problem right there. Leaking down, and she's loose as a goose, mama. Loose as a goose. See if we can pull it, put a new wax on it at least. It could be the faucet leaking too, you know, when running down. I think that's what the deal is, the faucet's leaking. See that right there? Looks like the faucet might be dripping. And then the way the floor's pitching. See how this is wet? That's a problem right there. And it's dripping on the floor. Right? And then running down. We gotta pull this toilet, put a new wax on it, I guess, at least. I don't think it's the toilet. Almost hate to pull the sucker because it's not leaking. You pull it, it's gonna be a flipping can of worms. Let's see if we can, what we can do here, if anything. Put a new wax on it at least. That's not looking so kosher, is it? Double wax with a funnel. Yeehaw. I think I got some long ones I can get in there. It's a cast iron flange. I think I got some long ones in the flange is buried. See it? Gotta put some long ones in there to see how much of a drop it is. I'll have to double wax it. Double wax it in some long bolts. Got some 3-inch bolts. Be alright. Alright, I got these long ass, extra long Johnny bolts. I'm gonna use those. I'm gonna leave the other one in there. Yeah, this will work. The other one just broke off. The other one's still good, we'll leave the other one. Put 2 new ones in. It's a cast iron flange on the floor there. It's 4-inch. We'll be alright there. Put a couple of double waxes and not the ideal situation, but what are you gonna do? Good enough for this neighborhood. It's a double wax, mama. Good enough for this neighborhood. Biggest thing is being able to bolt the toilet down, right? Good enough for this neighborhood. I showed the owner before I put the toilet back what's going on with it. It's not the ideal. It's definitely not ideal. Do the best you can do it. You're gonna work with it with a shit show. I mean, do what you can. Got lucky that the flange wasn't cracked. Put it back together. Try it again. See what happens. As long as it's not loose as a goose. This, when I came here, this supply was really loose. Ain't no Taj Mahal here, mama. At least now it's tight to the floor, it's not moving. At least now it's tight. Toilet might be cracked in the back there. So that's all set. I think that faucet right there is our problem. I got the water off at the water tank. See if I can get it apart. Put a new washer in there maybe. Hopefully I can just change the washer. Hopefully. It looks loose as a goose, mama. The sprinkler valve's bad, or the shut-off?
Shut-off wrong side, that's right.
It was just loose.
It goes up to the backbone preventer.
Okay.
Shut-off there. It's just a goddamn crawl space. Whether you're a veteran of that place.
I'm a veteran?
So, we will be here tomorrow if you want to be around.
Well, maybe, probably going to be next week. I mean, I might have time. It's not a panic.
Probably be there anyway, Friday, Joe.
Alright, while I'm got it apart, I'm going to put a new washer on it. I think it's coming apart or no. No, it's not. I mean, the thing's just a shit show. We'll see if we could get it back together and it's okay. Probably going to need to change the faucet because I don't think I can get that out of there. Let's try that. As long as it doesn't leak, that's all I give a shit about. Just put some new stuff in here, you know? Needs two new faucets. What do you want from me? You can do so much with this trash. Let's see if that works. We'll turn the water on and check it. Alright, water's back on. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. Good enough for this neighborhood. I mean, he needs new faucets. It just all corroded to shit.